Why buy a new one, when you can take advantage from this rare opportunity, to own this beautiful vehicle automatic transmission at a great price? Galpin certified with 171-point inspection, rear-wheel drive, anti-lock brake system 4-wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo, CD single disc, cruise control, dual airbags, hill ascent control, leather, power door locks, power steering, power windows, stability control, telescoping wheel, traction control. Please call our professional internet team. All advertised prices exclude government fees and taxes, any finance charges, any dealer document preparation charge, and any emission testing charge.